Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a little bit of an uplift to our front patio. So we do have this space right here that has absolutely nothing. We do have this manguera over here, which I don't know why I said it in Spanish, but it's our hose. And then we also have some plants over here, and we got disregarded the Christmas tree. It was on sale, so we just got it, but we got some new plants and some new pots, and we are going to be doing a little bit of a revamp, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks afterwards. So come with me and let's do this revamp together. We're putting together this outdoor set, and it does come all disassembled. Here are all of the parts. Here are the chair parts, so that there's the little table. It comes with all of the hardware, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how it looks like once it's all said and done. But for right now, my hubby's putting it all together, and then it's going to go over here in this location. I'll show you the final result in a bit. So once we were done setting up and putting all of the furniture together, I went ahead and swept the floor in the area where I want to place the rug. We had a lot of leaves in there, and I just wanted to make sure everything was cleaned before I lay down the rug. I also went ahead and organized the manguera, aka the hose. Just wanted to make sure it has a clean aspect and vibe prior to start adding the rug, the furniture, and the other plants. So let's go ahead and get started and get everything organized. last piece of the puzzle, and here is the final result for this revamp. I am super happy with the final result. I love the way everything looks. I love the furniture. I love the colors. It feels really peaceful and relaxing, which is exactly what I was going for. Look at nighttime, how it looks. This light post really surprised me. The light is super bright, and I just love the feel at nighttime as well. I am so sure that our family will spend so much time here, and I am so excited to enjoy moments with them. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoy making it. I hope that you have a fantastic day, and see you very soon. Take care.